everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. And today we have, I don't know if I can show you or not. Let's see if I can do this without knocking over my stuff. So we got a bulk box. It is, or was, total $121, so $80 something plus $30 shipping. And it is supposed to have clothing and shoes. It is uninspected returns, and I think it weighed like 30 pounds. I'm not sure how many things it has in it, but I guess we'll find out. We'll see what kind of condition this is in. I did buy 2 boxes, and I went to go do a video on the other box, and it had mainly like towels and towels and bathroom rugs and household bed and bath stuff, sheets and whatnot. It was in really bad condition, like embarrassingly bad condition, to where I didn't shoot the video. But I would let you guys know that it had like 11 big huge Wamsuda bath towels, and they were not in good condition, like at all. Like the strings are all pulled all through all of them, and then there was like 8 hand towels the same color that matched, and same thing with that. It had strings just pulled all through all the towels, and it was a bust. I'd be lucky to make half my money back, and I was too embarrassed to show you guys. I was gonna try to do like a whole like a whole numbers thing to show you like everything that was in it, how much it was gonna sell for, what my profit and loss and all that was going to be, but it was a big fat loss, like 100%. And the amount was about the same as this box. It was about $120 something, uninspected returns, bed and bath type stuff, and I couldn't show you guys. So today we are going to unbox this box. I haven't looked in it. We just opened it. And we're going to go through it and see if there's anything good. There were some things in here that I don't know what were in here, because all bulk boxes do come with a manifest. And so I was able to see what most of it was that was in here, but of course with it being uninspected returns, I have no idea what the condition is. And there were other things that were just like unspecified things that I have no idea what they were. The retail of the box of the supposed retail value of the box was like $1,300, so that was pretty high, and there are like a lot of shoes and clothing. So without further ado, let's get into it. I will have my lovely assistant today again, because she's home for the summer. She might want to like sit up a little bit. Yeah, like you got like a little head in the corner. All right, let's see. You need to back up a little, honey. I need to have some room here to show this. So this is one of the things I could see on top in the pictures, but it was not on the manifest, so I wasn't sure what the brand was, but I just saw it. It is an Adidas jacket. It is a boy's size 10-12, like a puffer jacket. Let's see. It does still have the tags on it, and let's see, does it have a price on it? No, it does not have a price on it, but it is new with tag. And from what I can see, I do see a little something on the back here. So that just rubs right off. That's not nothing. So yeah, that's good. I have no idea what that will go for, but that was a way better start so far than with the last box. What's up? Kitty in a bag? Yeah. Yes, kitty in a bag. All right, here is a pair of shoes. They did rubber band them together. They're from Kohl's. And they are Skechers memory foam women's sandals. It looks like they are, I'm trying to see the size for you guys, but I can't read that paper. My light is fading very fast. Can you look on there, see if you can see what the size that is?
Where is it?
It would be on this little plastic. It says size 37, but that's, oh, size 8. I see it. Size 8. So yeah, it is size 8. It does look like they have been worn, like maybe the try on.
No.
But other than that,
say that for me.
What's it say for you?
NY 26 to 11:20.
So here is another pair of sandals, little kid sandals. They're Carter brand.
I know who would fit in those.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I
Carter,
like
little
girls'
kid,
boys.
size 12. Probably could be either or. Look like they're almost like in brand new condition. Probably just didn't fit.
Looks like
Yeah, I don't see
Tom
a
girl.
price tag on there either, but still in decent condition. Here are some more Skechers. There's some Skechers yoga foam flip-flops.
Is it really yoga foam?
That's what it says. Feel them. Feel kind of. So
Warm.
they put the.
It's warm.
I know. Well, it was sitting out in the heat. So they put rubber bands on all the shoes, but unfortunately, when they put the rubber bands on these, it did that. But other than that, it does not look like they have really been worn at all. And they are also a size 8.
It's a better than you've seen.
I know. I'm trying to scoot over for you. Okay, these are some Fila's. Some Fila sneakers. Again, they're very, very clean on the bottom, but they do have some damage. So, you gonna pull something out? Go behind me and pull something out. So they do have a damage here. So I don't know if I can glue that and then just disclose it. It really hurt my feet. Ow.
Sorry, Mama. I got the worst ones in the entire thing.
Did you really? Yeah, they're a little dirty too. So we'll do yours here in a second. So these are some Skechers, some more Skechers women's sandals. Looks like they're still new with tag. Just maybe tried on. Got memory foam. They're vegan, so they're not real leather. They got the vegan tag. So, yeah.
They got a big rubber band.
You can get a big rubber band.
No, they had it.
Oh. And these are also a size 8. So every single sandal I've gotten so far is a size 8. Okay, show those.
Oh, I got more after.
So these are a pair of Vans. A pair of white Vans. Trying to see what size. It says 5 youth. So these are kids' shoes. They're a little bit dirty on the sides. I mean, like a little bit. Does the still have the tag on them?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, these are good.
You have looked in our grab another.
See, this is really hard to do. Here, you take that then.
I don't want that.
Fine, I'll show this. So this, what the heck?
Really? Really, Mom?
So I got a thong. Y'all like thongs? I'm not touching it any further than this. I mean, it looks like it's new.
But we ain't taking any chances here.
Yeah, I don't see. I don't see a brand anywhere, so that's gonna be trash.
These are for Dad.
And then these are little kids.
Like me, little kid?
No, these are from Kohl's.
Literally.
It's a Carter's 9-month
It's a baby.
onesie pajama set. And yeah, it looks like it's in good condition. Still got the tags on it, so
These
that'll
are for
sell.
Harley.
These are bad.
These are for Harley.
No, these are bad. These aren't going to nobody. These are being tossed. So these are some Fila shoes. But as you can see on the bottoms, I mean, that's like just worn all the way down. And there's all kinds of
Go.
yuckies right there. And
They're
just,
tarts.
yeah, same thing. I mean, the other one's the same thing. It's all like worn and like almost melted. Like you could almost feel like you could push a hole through it. I mean, it's just
No.
bad. What? Yeah. I mean, they sent it back looking like they're new, but yeah, these
They're
are
not.
gross.
They're not.
Those are gross. Gross. Gross, gross. These are some another little boys, Carter's sandals in really good condition.
This is mine.
Yours.
Mine.
Yours to show?
No. It's like mine. No, I want it.
Oh,
Can I have it?
these were regularly $36, size 8. Little boy sandals. No, well, I'm trying to do this kind of faster because the sun's fading and we don't have any better light in here. So these are some Nike. Nike men's size 9 Nike Air. Air Max. They're actually in really good condition. No wear on the inside, no wear on the outside. Engineered for all day, everyday comfort. Men's size 9. Those are one of the ones I was really hoping were in good condition. I should be able to sell those for about $80 or $90. This is the Journey collection. So these are in box. They look like they're new. Yes. So Journey collection, size 12, made in China. Just like a little leather pump called SARR Black, size 12. So no.
Dang it. Can I show
That's
them?
one of the variables that I don't know about, that I didn't know what was in here. Let me show this. So now we're getting down to the clothes that I didn't know that was in here. So this is a bra. And let's see, can we see what brand it is? It's Playtex. Just a plain,
Mama,
just a plain white bra.
this is some.
So I have no idea what those will go for. This is, let's see. This is Woman's Warner's brief. It's a pair of underwear. I knew they were in here. It's a pair of white underwear. So I thought it said there was like a 3-pack in here, but I'm not seeing any other ones. What you got there,
Are
Belle?
they in here? They're not in
Oh,
here.
are they in there? Alright, this was just a cheap pair of men's Fruit of the Loom size medium tees. Tank tops. So I might give those to my son if they'll fit. Okay, what are these? These are called Indigo Rain. They are very distressed, but it's new tag, so they're meant to be like this. Normally $48. Size 9, so this is like a junior size. So yeah, we'll see what those go for. And what is this? This is another one that I didn't know what was in here. Ooh, it's a Columbia. Normally $90, was on clearance for $45. Just a woman's purple jacket. It looks like it's in really good condition.
Not gonna have this?
No,
Dang it.
I'm saving it for last.
There's nothing else in here.
Huh? I know there's nothing else in there. So
Yeah,
this
it's the last
is a
thing.
purple like fleece jacket. Now, last but not least, let's see, this is what I was hoping it was going to be worth, or hoping it was going to be.
No, this
So
is
this
the
is
last
called, ooh, no. It's called Tower by London Fog. It's a very large parka. So yeah, it's a very large puffer jacket parka. It still is new with tags. It looks in very good condition. It's faux fur. Let's see, snorkel parka with inner. Let's see. Yeah, dark olive. I have no idea what this will go for. It is size 3X LT. So it's an 3X tall. Very big, very large. I don't see anything wrong with it. Looks like it's in brand new condition, new tag, so that's great. This winter, hopefully I'll be able to get about $70 or $80, and this will pretty much pay for the box. So that was a much better box than the first one. That was really good. I'll be able to sell 95% of what was in here and make my money back. Hopefully make as much money back for,
Wait for it to pop.
you can have this.
Wait for it to pop.
Let me wait for it to pop.
Yeah, I think that popped.
Okay. So it's called a pop pen. I knew that was in there. Didn't know what it was, but I knew it was in there. So this will be given to my daughter.
The pink peel.
$15. So all right, everybody, that was it. That's everything. Let me know what you guys thought. Was that a good box?
No.
Let me know.
Shedding.
Oh, whatever. All right, everybody, that's it. I'm gonna get off of here. What?
Last thing. The big rubber. Oh, look what I did.
Okay, rubber band. All right, everybody. We will talk to you later. Have a great evening. Like, comment, subscribe if you would, please. It really helps me out to try to grow this channel. I'm going to try to keep doing some more hauls. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great week. Bye.
Subscribe.